Hello everyone, welcome back to one more video which I'm going to talk about on the more on the position sizing both for swing trading as well as the positional trading. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to tell you where to enter a swing trade or where to exit a swing trade, but I'll be covering in detail of how can you do the position sizing so that you can cap your risk both for the positional as well as for the swing trading. Okay, as per me, if you are holding an entry from a period of 5 days, that is from 5 trading sessions to 1 month, it is called as a swing trade. Okay, and if you are holding any entry in any of the any of the form of equity assets from a period of greater than 1 month to 3 months or 1 year or 2 years, it is called as a positional trade. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to exactly tell you where to enter a swing trade and where to enter a positional trade, but I will be only covering the risk management part, which is nothing but the position sizing. So as all of you know that position sizing plays a crucial role in the long-term sustainability of the trader in the markets. Okay, in trading or investing we can only control the losses, but we cannot really control our profits, because in auction driven markets there will be something which is always undervalued and there will be something which is always overvalued. It is this price difference which will cause the everyday movement. We really cannot predict how much in a particular share or a particular price of any given market share, be it HDFC, Reliance or Dabur or Infi or TCS would go to. Okay, so for that reason in this video I'll only be talking about the position sizing, and coming to the swing entry and exit and the positional entry and exit, I'll be doing a different video. Please stay tuned to this channel. And one more thing, if you are a new subscriber to this channel, please do check out my previous videos and do like them and do subscribe for this channel, and please share this channel link with all of your friends and family members so that they'll also get a good amount of knowledge rather than the crap which is being shared on the other channels. Okay, and I'm very active on my Facebook page as well. The link is available in the description. Please do follow my Facebook page for regular updates. Okay, so for this purpose what we need to do is, we need to, for calculating the position sizing for both swing and intraday, I'll be making use of one indicator which is nothing but the ATR, average trading range. So this indicator is available in both in any of the average true range. It's called as average true range. So just click on this indicator, and by default it will take 14 days, but we need to change it to 20 days. Okay, that's the only change we need to do. And for swing trading we'll be taking the ATR value of ATR 20 value on the daily chart, but for a positional trade we'll be taking the ATR value on the weekly time frame chart. Here also we'll be considering the ATR 20. Okay, so as you can see, what I have done is I have already captured these values in one Excel, which I'll just show you. As you can see, if you go to 1 day time frame for ATR 20, you will get this value, which is approximately some 11.48 as on the day of closing on Friday. And similarly, if you go to the weekly time frame, the ATR value for Dabur is around 25 point something. Okay, so I've already taken these values. Okay, and hence I'll be directly showing you this position sizing example. Okay, so my ATR 20 in daily charts is 11.48 and ATR 20 in weekly charts is 25.29. Okay, and so before you even enter a trade, if you really want to be a pro in the world of trading or investing, you should be able to predetermine what is the amount of money that you are comfortable to lose. Okay, only then you should enter a particular trade, because profits are not something which we can really control in auction driven markets because of the price difference, but loss is something which we can control very well. Okay, so for that reason you should determine the loss what you are going to which you are happy to take in this particular swing entry or the positional entry. So for the example purpose, what I will do is I will take the risk for this trade as 5,000 both for swing and for positional. Hence, based on this, the number of shares what you can take is, if your risk is 5,000, you simply have to divide this 5,000 rupees by the ATR 20 value in the daily charts, which comes to around 436. Okay, let me just confirm it is the correct ATR value. 25.29 is the weekly. Okay, and for the daily it is approximately 11.48. Okay, 11.48. So the number of shares you can take for swing trade in Dabur is 436. Similarly, the ATR 20 value in weekly charts is 20 to 25 approximately, and if I am ready to risk only 5,000 rupees for this trade, the maximum number of shares I can buy for Dabur is 198. By doing this, what I can be able to do is, let's say I'm taking a swing trading entry, I'm only buying 436 shares. In case of any gap downs or any bad news in the market, my stop loss will not be hit 90% of the times, and in case of any bad news in the market, I can exit. And even in worst case scenarios like a huge gap down or huge gap down scenarios also, let's say in a positional trade, in case because of some negative news on Dabur, if it even opens gap down, 90% of the times it will not open 25 rupees gap down, it may max open around 10 or 15 rupees back gap down. On that day you can comfortably exit this trade, and your loss will be less than the ATI, the maximum risk that you wanted to take for this particular trade. So by following this position sizing methodology, you'll be able to limit your loss for both the swing and positional trade, and you'll be able to make decent amount of money if the move is going in your favor. I hope this video has helped you to learn some good knowledge about the positional sizing, because I see many people struggling to do proper position sizing in both swing and positional trading. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to this channel, and please do press on the bell icon, and also please share this video with all of the other wonderful people out there, and please do keep an eye on the Facebook page. I keep on sharing many updates over there. Okay, thank you very much, and the link for the Facebook video can be found or is there in the description below. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great week ahead.